Okay, so for example, if a cane farmer up north said, I think I've got an idea about a new way of harvesting cane, and they researched that and looked at some of the ideas around the machine and the technique, and then their hypothesis could be that, yes, we can build this machine, we can use this new form of hydraulics or vacuum sucking, whatever it may be. I'm used to harvesting grapes, which is what they do.
Yeah.
Therefore, if we build this, we think we've got a market. So it's those sorts of hypotheses, those questions. If we do this, spend this, undertake that, and that then means, okay, we can then run that project, and the money we spend, as you said, a percentage of overheads and direct costs associated with that research and building an experimental machine, that could all be claimed as research and development.
Basically, yes. There are rules, and we've developed a system which will help accountants undertake this work. I've been concerned for some time that there is, I think, a significant amount of research and development activities being undertaken by small businesses, medium-sized enterprises, without an awareness of what they can claim. Some people are aware, of course, but others aren't.
No.
And part of this problem is accountants not fully understanding how it works. It doesn't happen every day, and it's not going to apply to every client. Traditionally, businesses have ended up having to go and deal with specialist consulting firms and some of the larger accounting firms. The risk for small and medium-sized accounting firms from that is that if the client has developed something that is very good, they're probably going to lose the client because they're going to be encouraged to go somewhere else. I see it as being an opportunity for an accountant to literally be growing with their client, that they can help them as they undertake these research and development activities to then perhaps move into some other government grants, like the Accelerating Commercialisation Grant, which will assist the company to commercialize their technology. There's a grant of up to $1 million on a 50-50 basis. And that can help get that research or that prototype or whatever it's being developed into the marketplace.
So 50-50 is the client spends 500,000 and then the government gives them 500,000 through the Accelerating Commercialisation Grant.
That's right, and that money from the government is made available as the company incurs that expenditure. So it's not in arrears. Okay. The government actually pays in advance on that program. So a budget's got to get submitted to AusIndustry. Yep. They approve it. And in fact, the government pays the first first tranche of the money for the first 3 months in advance. And then based on what you spend of that and what your budget is for the next 3 months, you get your next tranche of money. And so it works on. So it's a very good government program.